Before I came here, I didn't really know the industry. So when I came here, I found that there's no my field here. So I must make change to other field. And since I cannot find my field here, so it's very difficult for me to be a researcher again. And even I can find my field here, you know, the research is very compatible. Competitive, I think. Yeah, so without Canadian education background and the work experience, it's very hard to get into the research field. So now I'm trying to get into industry to work as a process engineer. It's not easy, but I think I can do it.